We believe that financial health is wealth and want to empower you to take control of your financial wellness journey. Class is officially in session. Start learning today.
Are you looking for a career with competitive wages where you can make a real difference in your community? The Ontario government is hiring new correctional officers across Ontario. New recruits working in Northern Ontario may be eligible to receive financial support of up to $15,000. Learn about training and how to apply by visiting ontario.ca/correctionsjobs.
Hey Siri, next song.